If you're looking for the best tech tips and tutorials, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Windows 10 full screen in VirtualBox. Whether you're using VirtualBox for testing or just running Windows 10 for specific tasks, having a full screen setup can make all the difference. Here's the key step. Go to the Devices menu at the top of VirtualBox. Click on Insert Guest Editions CD Image. Go to your Windows 10 File Explorer, find the CD drive, and run the Guest Editions setup. Click to open this. Here, click to install VirtualBox Windows Editions AMD64. Click on Yes to continue. Click on Next. Next. Once Guest Editions is installed and Windows 10 has rebooted, you're all set. Simply press the Host key plus F or click on View at the top of VirtualBox and select Full Screen Mode. Your Windows 10 should now fill the entire screen seamlessly. And that's it. Now you know how to run Windows 10 in full screen inside VirtualBox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.